Hello everyone. We Skilift would like to provide you all with a brief of the key safety measures to be ensured at your garment factories according to the measures outlined by the Government of India on the COVID-19 pandemic. This is purely developed only for awareness purpose. For easy understanding, we have categorized the safety measures to be followed under different departments that include human resource, security, factory floor, company and hostel washroom and dining area, and employee hostel. The points to be ensured under human resources are 1. Opening and closing announcements to create awareness to all employees. 2. Essential safety kit stock to be available only with HR to maintain single contact and delivery point. 3. Specialized team for distribution of COVID-19 essential kit. 4. Do not allow employees or visitors who have been from government quarantined area until further notice from the government. 5. Record the health of employees on daily basis to check for early symptoms. 6. Government healthcare officials should be informed of the employees with symptoms in order to isolate them as soon as possible to prevent the spread of viruses. 7. Ensure Arogya Setu app to be available with all employees to know all recent updates, precautions and safety measures that can be ensured. 8. Strong vigilance for any violation of COVID-19 safety norms is essential. 9. Implementation of safety guidance given by the government to efficiently run the factory adhering to government compliances. The points to be ensured under security are 1. Compulsory PPE kit for security as they come in direct contact with many employees and visitors. 2. Thermoscanner device usage for in and out monitoring to ensure right body temperature. 3. Attendance capturing through face recognition or card reading to prevent unnecessary touching points. 4. Pedal controlled sanitizer machine installation to prevent multiple hands contact and spreading of germs. 5. Employee traveling outside should be health checked thoroughly as they may come in contact with different people of different locations. 6. No one should be allowed to go outside the campus during shift time to prevent gatherings and groups. 7. Outsiders should be health checked and provided with factory's PPE kit to prevent infected masks disposal in factory premises. 8. Separate quarantine area for loading and unloading of material to prevent the spread of virus from outside. 9. Social distancing while manpower transportation in buses or vans. The points to be ensured under factory floor are 1. Standing position mark for all staff to ensure social distancing and prevent unnecessary movement. 2. Ensure social distancing in the factory. 3. 100% mask usage is mandatory. 4. All non-sewing operators and staff can be provided with hand gloves to prevent the spread of germs. 5. Easy access of sanitizers across all places in order to restrict employee movement. 6. Encourage all employees to use their own materials like trimmers or pens. 7. Digitized reports can be made as manual reports can be a carrier of the virus. 8. Restrict the movement of floor staff to specific time schedule. 9. Discussion with maximum 2 people on the floor with social distancing has to be ensured. 10. Frequent changing of workstation of the employees should be avoided. 11. Any common equipment control boards to be handled only by designated people. 12. Proper disposal points for used PPE kits has to be made. 13. Screen segregation can be done between workstations for closer operations. 14. Ensure fixed allocations of workers in the line or module. 15. Mechanic should sanitize the workstation after repairing each machine. 16. Hand sanitizing should be done before and after cutting process. 17. Fulfill the required WIP to the departments only once a day to restrict movement. 18. The employees should sanitize their workstation once in 4 hours. 19. Day scholars and hostel workers to be engaged in the floor separately. 20. 2 or more factory timings can be done to avoid crowding of employees while ensuring routine morning procedures. 21. Every cabin should add a self-distancing mark to avoid close contact. 22. Doors should be kept open to prevent unnecessary touching points. 23. Separate room for visitors should be arranged with social distancing measures. 24. Mobile and conference facilities can be used and encouraged for communication. 25. Ensure social distancing at workstations across the production floor with customized layout designs. The points to be ensured under company and hostel washroom dining area are: 1. Sensor-based water tap for cleaning of hands in order to prevent unnecessary touching points. 2. Different time schedules for lunch breaks and tea breaks for employees and staff in order to avoid overcrowding. 3. Sensor-based drinking water system. 4. Encourage employees on use of individual food and water consuming utensils. 5. Avoid selling tea and snacks inside the factory premises. 6. Washroom and dining area sanitization should be done more frequently. 7. Prevent gathering of different departments or line workers. 8. Token system implementation for company washroom access. 9. Avoid sharing of food and water between employees. The points to be ensured under employee hostel are: 1. Employee health check to be done every morning and evening. 2. Travel history and health to be verified and checked for all employees arriving from their native places. 3. Ensure social distancing in the entire hostel. 4. Compulsory mask usage when 2 or more people are gathered. 5. Scheduled timetables for bathing and laundry access to be provided. 6. Self-cleaning and sanitizing practice should be ensured in the room, dining and washroom area. 7. Awareness signage boards to be available bold and clear. 8. Strict movement restrictions between rooms should be made. And 9. Prevent exchange of clothes and common use of towels. We hope these safety measures would be of immense help to you. We encourage each and every factory to follow as many precautionary measures as possible to ensure a safe and secured workplace. For detailed posters and other queries, kindly get back to us through the email ID and mobile number given below. Thank you.